We alerted Ebonyi governor 4 days before the deadly herdsmen attack, says Ohaneze Youth Council. We alerted Ebonyi governor 4 days before the deadly herdsmen attack, says Ohaneze Youth Council. Good afternoon, thanks for joining me in this video. You all are aware of what transpired in Ebonyi State on Sunday, where the Fulani herdsmen chased people out of their city, razed down the villages, and the number of the casualties has been increasing ever since then without stopping. Now, the villagers, the people that were interviewed, told us that they got the information that this threat is real and is going to happen, and they were preparing for the threat that is going to be violence to violence. However, they enacted the office of the governor. Now, Sahara Reporters is also publishing that Ohaneze Youth Council, I never knew about that one before, that they have also enacted the governor, Mr. Francis Nweforo, that they enacted him that this is what the terrorists are planning. They are coming to raise down villages, to kill people. Now, the reason why I'm making this particular video is that you cannot tell the governor that foreigners are coming to kill his people and he do not make plans to avoid it. Mr. Francis Nweforo has a lot of questions to answer. By the way, on Tuesday, I did some investigation about Mr. Francis Nweforo. I think 60% of people I called, they were talking good about the man. They were saying the man is okay, the man is nice, a good governor, okay? But at the end, they are saying that only the issue of the killing that transpired, that they told him that the issue is serious, that he did not respond swiftly. They continue to say and repeated what they told us earlier, that the deputy governor, when the issue happened before, when the Fulanis used cattle to raise down their farmland, finish their crops, everything, that they kill one cow, and the deputy governor called police for the villagers without even looking into what caused it. And that is not enough. They said on Sunday morning that the military, the police, you all are aware of the story, how they came to tell the villagers to drop everything they are doing, no need to prepare for war, no need to go out of a village, that everything is calm. Just 1 hour when they left, the Fulani invaded their community and killed a lot of people and raised down villages, sacked villages. Even the neighboring village close to Enugu are leaving their homes. The question is, Nweforo has not been able to address the general public that this is what I did, this is what I do. He did not do anything. And the movement of the deputy governor with the military and police, it seems that they are planning this evil together. And the governor of Ebonyi State must be able to address the people. I read his address when he was telling them not to retaliate. Is that what you are supposed to say? How many people have you people arrested? The people that raised down the villages. The policemen came, they were guiding dead bodies. They left people who caused the mayhem on the people. They did not go after them. This is a very serious crime against humanity. A very serious crime against humanity. Now, Sahara Reporters published that Ohaneze Youth Council disclosed that its Directorate of Intelligence has raised an alarm and warned Governor Francis Nweforo for Ebonyi State about the potential attack 4 days prior to the violent incident by suspected herdsmen in Amegu, Nkandara community. The OYC, in a statement issued by its national president, Comrade Igbo Ayaka, on Tuesday said, our findings indicated that Fulani herdsmen are expanding their presence in Ebonyi State, posing a significant threat of the additional attacks in Governor Nweforo's remains if Governor Nweforo's remain inactive, and that it may lead to further loss of lives in the state. Sahara Reporters earlier reported that residents of Amegu, Nkandara community in Ishiendu local government area of Ebonyi State were fleeing their homes en masse following Sunday's armed herdsmen invasion that raised the death toll to 16. On Monday, the Nigerian police force confirmed that the security operative had recovered 10 bodies from the community. The commandant spokesperson Joshua Okando verified the attack in a statement mentioning that the police were currently investigating the incident and that normalcy had been restored to the area. And that is false. There is no normalcy that was restored in the area. Nothing like normalcy that returned. In fact, people are leaving their homes because they are expecting another potential attack. People who are preparing are preparing. And the governor has not been able to convince the public that yes, he's in charge and he has taken control of the incident that happened. And I repeat, none of the people who carry out the attack has been arrested. What would happen if these people were to be Igbos? They will quickly tag them ipob, Biafra agitators, and they will go after them swiftly. Nigeria is not for the Igbos. Okay? Now, in the OYC statement on Tuesday, Igbo Ayaka said, unfortunately, we have governors in the southeast who are perceived as uncooperative regarding insecurity, demonstrating a lackadaisical attitude, which has led to frequent incidents of killings, kidnapping, banditry, and arson in the southeast. Evidently, Governor Francis Nwifuru has been inefficient in ensuring the safety of lives and property in Ebonyi, raising concerns about his capacity, ability, and dedication to resolving the Fulani herdsmen violence in Ebonyi State. We trust that Governor Francis Nwifuru and his team will carefully examine the various locations mentioned in the Organized Youth Council press statement issued at Abakaliki on the 29th January 2025. Igbo Ayaka, who said he has proposed a solution to the insecurity in Ebonyi State, noted, "We anticipate a responsible and responsive government to act promptly without delay or procrastination." The end of the article. But for me, I'm of the opinion that the government cannot do anything. They can't do anything. They don't have the solution to it. The only way I would know that the Igbos are serious about the invasion of their land is when they take the release of Nnamdi Kanu serious. If Nnamdi Kanu is released today, all these deaths will come to the barest minimum. During the time when Nnamdi Kanu has not been detained, Nnamdi Kanu, through his security outfit, make sure that something of such never happened. I mean, never happened. And it shouldn't have happened if Nnamdi Kanu is not in detention. But people won't understand what we are saying. And as far as the name of Nnamdi Kanu has been mentioned, so many people don't want to listen. The issue between Nnamdi Kanu and the government, a lot of people don't still know what it is. It is all about the fear of influence, the fear of Kanu's influence. This man will dominate. This man has influence. And that is what we need. You need an influence to stop insecurity. You need influence to speak to people. They will obey you. You need influence that once you appear, everything negativity would end. But it doesn't seem to be so. It seems that the Igbo race has been marked for destruction. If nothing is done, the way I am receiving message from every angle, from now to next tomorrow, if care is not taken, everybody will be on the run in Igbo land. If care is not taken, if an urgent measure is not being taken, if the governors begin to continue to do all these things they are doing, this lackadaisical attitude towards securing lives and property of the people, Igbos will be on the run. Many communities, especially Enugu and Ebonyi, these two places, the information we do receive from these two places is not pleasant. Enugu and Ebonyi State is under siege. Enugu and Ebonyi State is under siege. People should not take it lightly. Enugu and Ebonyi State, these two states is already gone. People don't know what is going on in these two states. A governor has the capacity to gather intelligence. They have the money, they have the everything. They should not stress us again. They should not stress us. They know what they are supposed to do to get information. We are supposed to even be taking information from them, not us telling them what is going on in their villages. Visit villages, even rural communities that they don't have road and light in Ebonyi. Visit those villages. Visit those villages in Enugu. Because the people will not allow this thing to continue. Anyway, it is what it is. Let me know what you think on the comment section. I'm Okocha Marcel, talking reality out of issues.
I want to greet the whole Nigeria, the whole East and West, the whole Edo State. Look at what cow did in my farm. Look at it. Cow just enter my farm, just destroy all my pineapple farm. I want to tell the governor, I don't know what to do because of cow. We know want to carry farm again. Look at what cow just did in my farm. He just entered my farm last night, destroy all my pineapple farm, chop my pineapple farm, all my yam. I'm tired to carry farm. I beg government should talk proof for this issue. Look at my cassava, look at my yam, everything. I beg you, may help me talk to government to there's a fast solution to it. I bet look, me now look at everywhere in the farm. I don't just see everywhere. Me now look at everywhere. Just see, look at this big pineapple. Look at the big pineapple. He chop everything. Just see. I don't know what to do. Just see all the pineapple. Me now look at the plantain. Plantain. They chop all the whole plantain, the whole farm. All the whole plantain. All the whole plantain. I'm tired. They finish me. They don't finish me for this farm. Cow. They finish me. That's the reason I want to video the farm, so that I will show the government. Government, men I can't tell, men I tell me what to do, men I advise me. Am I going to leave the farm or I will continue? Look at them, just look at the farm. Look at everything. See them. Look at the farm. They don't chop the whole pineapple. And be spending money into this farm since last 2 years. Spending money, I don't spend almost 8 million. They don't chop the whole pineapple. And I will help you. I want to show the government so that men have asked me what to do. Am I going to leave the farm or I will continue again? That is the reason I did video the farm. Thank you very much. I greet everybody. I'm just talking from Uroli Kingdom. Uroli. Now for the talk. So Uroli East West. Now for the talk. I bless everybody.